Hi, good morning. My name is Ritesh. I am taking care of the product bus. So I will update you about the key features of the bus product in our portal. First, we are connected with Redbus as our vendor. Second, we have around 10,000 bus operators in our systems and 6,000 total routes. We have a auto cancellation and instant refund. Third, we have a free cancellation for the selective operators up to 10 minutes from the booking bus. We don't charge any service charge in the cancellation. We have a return ticket options enabled in our systems. You can book our bus from 4 hours from the departure. Okay, so I will take you to my bus products in our portal right now. So this is our bus product. It's logged into agents.akbartravelsonline.com. If you check, I'm just putting from Mumbai. I'm putting Nasik here. If you check, drop downs are coming. If you put a single two alphabet also, the drop down will show to you, so it is easy way to find out the sector. I'm just clicking on the date calendar 15 Jan 15 May, searching it. You will get the result within 6 seconds. See, as you got within 6 to 7 seconds, you will get the result. Going with the modify search, you can modify your search again if you want. You can flip your from and to from clicking here. Second, we have a filter options. You can choose any AC sleeper as per your reference preference by the customers. If you click on non-AC, all non-AC bus will show to you in the systems. So going back to same sleeper, the same thing it will add as a sleeper bus and AC. If you check, the AC bus will come around. Going back to a departure timing filter, this also helps agents. And if you check, there is a count showing how many buses are there between 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. 6 buses. Night there are 102 buses. This is zero if they don't have a buses on this sector. You can choose your operator. There are many of customers ask for the operator, a specify operator, so you can put Nita. All Nita buses will come in front of you. If you check, all Nita buses are front of you. So our filter options are very clear and cut. Just you need to put the details and you will get the updates in your research search. You can do your filter from boarding point also. Borivali, Kandili, all options are there in front of you. So going back to a research search, up there is a sector again given with the date. So for which sector you are clearing out. Second, bus name is clearly mentioned, Nita Tours and Travels. The Bharat, the seats, the bus type name. Second, a departure, arrival, a duration, what time it takes, a seats availability, how many seats are available. If 44 seats are there, it will show 44. It's 30, then it will show 39 seats available. A fare, a fare is based on lowest to highest. So we show a taxes and earning point here. There is a plus sign which is having in flight and everywhere. So same thing goes here also. You will get how much you earns on per ticket. So you can send the SMS to your customers through this. Second, if you move your circle to a departure timing, you will get all the departure boarding point from where the bus is boarded with the address and with the phone number, so it will easy to find out. You can easy to call them and get the bus. Second, arrival also same thing showing. If you check a drop point, if there is no drop points, it will show others. As you check, there is a others options. So going back to down little bit, so there are plenty of bus showing you. So if it is a next day arrival, it will show clearly mentioned it will arrive next day. So the information about the bus is clear cut. So I will go with cancellation policy. If you click on cancellation policy, our cancellation are clearly cut given with the time, with the dates and with the amount. So there is no kind of confusion about to the passengers and to the agents. If you check a partial cancellation, many people ask about a partial cancellation. So this information is clearly mentioned in the portal while doing a booking. Going down for a few more operators to check. Same thing goes here also, the same. If you check, all are mentioned here. Going with the layout of our bus seats, if you check, it's clearly showing the bus availability: seat, book seats, selected seats, ladies seats and man seats. If you check, if you move your cursor to a seats, you will get the seats and the rates. So going back to a second bus, so I will click for this one. So this is also same thing, you will go order this. It's non-AC showing 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 2, it's showing. So you can check, you can click here the seats. So I am doing a booking for you. Click any boarding point which you want. Chembur, if you put Chembur, you will get whole address here. If you check, the address is mentioned. Same goes others, if it is there, it will show Nasik, as we are putting a Nasik sectors. So going up, I click on plus to show you the commission, how it looks. It's showing a commission to you, how much you are earning it, and you will get the seat number. You can go ahead and book the seats. So coming to a passenger information page, it's clearly mentioned again: Bombay Nasik travel, Lakshmi Travels, bus type from to departure arrival. The fare information is given below. Same, you can add a markup like 30 rupees. If you want it, it will get added, it will get changed. If you check change, if you don't want to add it, click here 0, it will come to a back to a normal way. So I am issuing a ticket, selecting a gender, putting Ritesh Kangokar here as my name, putting a age 35, and a male and female options, and the seat number is also available in this. You can put a mobile number and my email ID which is there. Second, there is a show hide commission details in here also. You can hide this option from the systems, it will get the option. So only in this page you just need to put the age, the name, the email ID and the phone number. That's all. There is no other information required for the bus booking. Click on continue. Again it will reconfirm your all the details. Okay, if you are okay to do, it is booked clearly. So I am clicking on book option. Within few minutes the booking will come in front of you. It is a live booking which I am showing to you. Okay, we got the confirmation here with the reference number, which is Akbar Towers reference number. This is the PNR ticket number of the bus operator, a PNR of the bus operator, the guest name, everything, a boarding, dropping point, everything is mentioned in the ticket copy. Come down, you can add your markup. Again, if you wanted to add, it will get added here. Right now it will show in a markup column. If you want to show a discount around 10 rupees, it will calculate on 10 rupees a discount by giving a discount and markup adding. The same way you can email your things. Again, if you want to put an email ID and email to the ticket copy to your customer, you can do the same thing. So click here, you will get a successful message. So there is one more a beautiful option I will show you, which help out you to do a return ticket. If you check, there is a return ticket option back again, because there are plenty of passengers ask you the return tickets. So click on return ticket options. Going back, if you check, I doesn't need to change my from and to, it is already come by Nasik to Bombay. I just need to select the date, 16 May, and searching it. The same thing, you will get the sector again within 6 seconds. It now depends on you what type of bus you want to search. If you want a lowest fare, click on this, you will get a lower fare. Selecting a bus, select the seats, Nasik, same to Borivali, Kandili, where you want to drop, same book. Now a special thing this, my all information has been auto saved. My name, my last name, my age, my phone number, email ID. It took hardly around 30 seconds to search my sector, to choose the bus which I want, and just that's all. I doesn't need to put any information in this. Just if I click on accept and continue, the booking will get issued within a minute. So this option will help out to get a fast booking process at this time. So going back to show my account process, how the booking looks in my account, search the same thing, search it, you will get the booking details here. Same thing, you will get a customer invoice, you will get a ATM invoice, you can cancel the booking from here also. So this is the options available in my booking. It will show booked as it is booked, so you can discount from here also. Agent details are mentioned here. If you check how many commission you got, not got, everything. So our bus process is very much simple and clear cut process. It will help out to you to get a quick booking. We have a auto return ticket options which help out to get a return ticket soon as possible. And we have a smooth process. You will get a SMS to your mobile before the departure from the bus operator. Thank you everyone for listening this. Thanks a lot.